2, 3. Mabuhay! Hi, I'm Bini Maloy.
Hi, I'm Sheena.
And we are
Bini!
Welcome to our newest episode of podcast na mga walang
Jowa! Yes, and for our topic for today, it's
Wait.
very serious. This is not us, but it's us. Yes, and our topic for today is Open ka ba sa open relationship?
Oh my God.
Huy. Okay, so technically, it's about open relationship. So honestly, guys, hindi ko siya alam. I mean, hindi ko siya alam noon. And nabanggit ko nga kay Ate Maloy, tinanong niya ako, alam mo ba yung open relationship? Sabi ko, oo, di ba yan yung kapag open ka sa partner mo?
Oo, yun yung...
So, akala ko, I thought it was a good thing. Tara, let's have open relationship. I'll be open to you, open to me. We're all open.
Oo, pero ako, ang pagkakaintindi ko sa open relationship is, in a relationship kayo, pero open kayo to have a relationship then with other people. Right?
Yeah, now I know kasi I
Mm.
researched about it. And yes, you're right.
Mm.
You're
What
right.
is the real definition of open relationship? Miss
Yeah.
Google?
Miss
Google.
Google. Yes, so ang open relationship, it means na you're in a relationship with someone pero you are allowed to date other people, see other people, have romantic relationship with other people. Kumbaga, you have each other's consent to do all of that. So it's not really considered cheating kasi you both agreed to that.
Oo, walang betrayal na
Yeah.
nangyayari.
You both agreed
Mm-mm.
to that situation. So that's open relationship.
Mm. Ikaw ba? Are you open to... Nauntog siya. Ikaw ba? Open ka ba to have an open relationship? Like yung partner mo, may kadate na iba. Hoy.
No. Okay, honestly, for me, no. As a very selosa na girl, I think I will die if I think I won't last a day if I'm in a relationship like that. Kaka-overthink baka sumabog yung utak ko, ganyan. Pero honestly, ayoko kasi I'm a very, tawag dito, ay nga, selosa and gusto ko what's mine is mine. And if I truly love that person, that man, why would I share him with other girls? Baka sapak ko yung babae yun eh. Pero, yeah, I only want him and only him. And I want him to only want me and only me. It's me and him and me in this world. Rar. How about you?
Hue?
How about
H-U-E?
you?
How about you? It's the purple. And ako, ayoko din.
Why?
I just don't want to share. Ay, hindi naman. I mean, ayoko nang may i-date yung magiging partner ko. Kasi, parang, well, for me, it's weird na may nagsishare kami ng isang partner. 'Di ba? Like, yun nga, katulad ng sinabi mo, gusto ko kung ano yung akin lang, ganun. Pero,
Tama.
no judgment sa mga tao na gusto sa open relationship, 'di ba?
Yeah, like what I said kanina, nag-work lang yung open relationship if you both agreed to that
Oo.
kind of relationship. Kasi hindi yan mag-work if sa isang tao labag sa loob niya yung
Oo.
ginagawa nila.
Totoo.
Meron kasi iba na example, meron kang mahal na tao.
Mm.
Tapos that person suddenly asks you if you want to be in an open relationship. Tapos ikaw mag-go ka lang for the sake of not losing him or
Oh.
her.
'Di ba? Oh my gosh.
'Di ba parang, sige na nga, para hindi kayo mag-break or para hindi ka niya iwan. So
Mm.
parang in a way,
Ang unfair nun.
ang unfair. Parang the
Oo.
guy or the girl is living her or his life while you umuo ka lang for the sake of not losing him
Totoo.
or her.
Feeling ko kasi may ano din yan eh, parang factors. Kasi, yun nga, feeling ko, kunwari LDR or nakamit ng suddenly, parang hindi
Suddenly.
mo in-expect na parang I'm attracted to this person,
Mm.
'di ba? Nang hindi mo inaasahan, na-attract ka. So, parang gusto mo na maging open yung relationship nyo, pero ang unfair nun sa partner mo kasi hindi siya nag-agree, pero yun yung gusto mo.
Yeah.
So, parang, 'di ba, ang gulo niya. So, feeling ko ako, if yung partner ko, tinanong ako, suddenly, if I want an open relationship, I'll just end our relationship.
Yeah, for
Ganon.
you.
For my own mental health. Kasi ang hirap nun, 'di ba? Parang araw-araw mag-overthink ka.
Totoo.
Isipin mo sino na naman kasama niya.
'Di ba?
Sino
Saka
naman?
parang
Ay, umiyak.
after
Diba?
like example, feel ko mas mahirap doon sa
Mm.
mga long term, tas biglang nag-ask if you want open relationship.
Mm.
Parang after all the years pala, hindi pa rin pala satisfied yung partner mo and
Totoo.
he or she is still seeking for other people's attention.
Mm.
Feeling ko yun yung mahirap. So I think
Mm.
same with Ate Maloy.
Mm.
Parang understanding naman ako na tao, pero if yun yung case na tatanungin ako if I want to have open relationship, parang maaano na yung utak ko na in the first
Sanity
place,
mo.
bakit mo naisip yun?
Totoo.
'Di ba? If you really love me, bakit biglang may change of heart ka na you want open relationship?
Oo. So, it obvious naman na for us, ayaw namin ng open relationship if
Yeah,
ever
for us.
magkakaroon kami ng intimate relationship. Pero,
Yeah.
ako may napanood ako na parang nasa open relationship sila.
Mm.
Tapos, ayun nga, yung girl, nasa relationship siya that time. Tapos, na-meet niya tong si guy.
Mm.
Tapos 4 years sila ng boyfriend niya.
Sila,
Nakipag-break siya sa boyfriend niya. Tapos nandun siya sa open relationship.
Mm.
So, ang ano nun, ay nga parang may consent sila na makipag-date sila sa ibang tao, like to sleep with them, to be with them, to date them. Pero, parang sila yung baseline. Parang ganun. Parang sa'yo pa rin ako
Sila pa
uuwi.
rin, oo.
Pero magde-date ako ng ibang tao.
Kumbaga
Ganun.
parang nanay, tatay, hindi pala be. Nasa
Hindi
utak
pa-
ko mga basta
Oo.
alam mo yung mga lines ganyan.
Oo,
Pero at
ganun.
the end, sa kanila pa rin.
Sila sa kanila pa din sila uuwi. Pero, ayun nga, parang may consent sila sa isa't isa or minsan sasabihin nila na papapasukin natin to sa relationship natin. So, may consent pa rin talaga, ganun. If
Yeah.
gusto nila ng relationship. Tapos may nakita akong comment doon under that video, parang hindi niya maintindihan kung bakit may mga taong gusto ng open relationship,
Yeah,
'di ba?
true.
Tapos may nagsabi na parang, kunwari kumakain ka ng pagkain, kunwari fried chicken, tsaka kanin. Kung yun at yun na lang ang kinakain mo araw-araw, di ba mauuta ka? Parang ang gagawin mo, tatanggalin mo yung kanin, magmi-mix ka ng french fries, maglalagay ka ng mashed potato. Well, gets yung ganun na parang mag-iiba ka ng combo. Pero for me, for you to stay na gusto mo pa din yung chicken at yung rice, piling ko pwede mo siyang dagdagan ng konting flavor. 'Di ba? Like, mag-iisip ka para mag-stay ka dun sa gusto mo. Like, lagyan mo konting anghang. Gawin mong matamis ang chicken. Gawin mong may sarsa. Ganun, 'di ba? Like, you always have to find the reasons to stay. Ang dami-daming reason para umalis. Pero, ang konti ng reason para magstay, pero kailangan maghanap ng reason para magstay if you really love the person.
Yeah, pero for me kasi sa food pa lang, hindi ako nagsasawa sa chicken and rice.
Ay,
Wala akong babaguhin sa lasa ng manok kasi I love chicken. And
totoo.
same with my man, I love him. I won't change anything para lang magstay kasi I truly love him and I believe in that kasi it's me and I know what I'm feeling, so it really depends sa tao. I love my chicken. So I won't
Grabe naman ang pagmamahal mo sa chicken.
Yeah, I love chicken. Anything chicken, crispy, everything. I love it.
Actually, si Sheena, ganyan siyang tao. Like, ang hirap niyang, parang, kunwari, may gusto kaming food. Ako kasi, ang hilig ko, di ba, mag-try ng mga food na kung
Totoo,
ano
you're
na
not
ang
scared.
weird.
She's not scared.
Ang weird na food, na combination. Tapos siya, ang hirap, tikman mo to, promise, talagang pipilitin ko pa siya para mag-try. Pero, magsistick pa rin talaga siya sa chicken, at rice, na may fries, at may ice cream, at may coke. Yan.
Oh.
Everything. Di ba? Ang
Yeah.
ganyang combo.
And meron tayong question
From
from
the
the audience. If you agree to it, what boundaries are you willing to take in the relationship?
Just not sleep with the person. Siguro okay lang,
Really?
manonood kayo ng movie, kakain kayo sa labas, pero wag kang magpalipas ng gabi with her or him. Yun lang.
Wow.
That's the boundary.
May
that I will set.
rules. Ako for me, feeling ko kasi ibang tao na isip nila if yung ibang tao nasa open relationship, it's already cheating. Pero for me, if ever nasa loob ako ng open relationship, cheating is still cheating. Ang boundaries ko is don't ever lie to me. You can say, ayoko yung nakikipag-meet ka sa ibang girl, tapos di mo sasabihin sa akin, ba't pa tinawag na open relationship? Sana close relationship na lang ulit, di ba? Open relationship nga, it means na you already have my consent. You just need to say it to me. You just need to make me aware sa mga nangyayari na may kausap ka.
Oo.
Same with me, I'm gonna let you know na
Kausap mo.
may kausap ako na guy. I think we're gonna meet, ganyan. It's, cheating is cheating kahit na anong klaseng relationship you're in.
Mm.
Basta for me, magsabi ka kasi nga pinasok natin tong dalawa. So you don't have to be scared. Kasi nga, okay
Open
na
na
eh. Open
open,
na eh.
oo, yun na yun eh.
So, di ko gets pa sa mga taong naglalay. So, parang in a way, parang guilty ka pa rin na nakikipag-meet sa ibang tao. So, I just don't, parang I don't find any sense in that if you're still gonna lie to me.
Mm.
Ayun.
Well, feeling ko din yung open relationship, kaya parang kaya sila pumapasok sa open relationship kasi gusto nila ng experience. Like, kasi 'di ba
Gets.
iba't ibang tao, so iba't ibang experience 'yan, iba't ibang paniniwala. So, mas gusto talaga nilang mag-explore pa, 'di ba? Like parang 'pag nagta-travel ka, gusto mong mag-try ng ibang food,
Totoo.
gusto mong bumili ng kung ano-ano kasi gusto
Yeah.
mong ma-experience, gusto mong, pumunta sa iba't ibang lugar. So, parang feeling ko gano'n din yung open relationship na gusto nila na maka-experience pa ng iba't ibang bagay at matuto at
True.
makakilala talaga kung sino talaga yung for them. And no judgment to them kasi yan yung gusto nilang life and yun yung pinipili nila as of the
Totoo.
moment, 'di
Gaya
ba?
nga ng iba, like, may nabasa ako, if you truly love someone, you won't share him or her sa ibang tao. Pero meron din na, if you really love someone, you will let that person explore. So, alam mo yun, it really depends sa mindset ng tao, sa paniniwala niya. Kasi love is so wide, alam mo yun? Ang daming
Mm.
pwedeng kung paano mo iparamdam yung love mo sa partner mo. So, for me, no judgment. It's just you and your partner's decision. Yun ang nagmamatter.
Oo.
Don't ever let anyone's opinion like break your decision. Basta ang
Mm.
importante, goods kayo ng partner mo.
Totoo na nagkakaintindihan kayo,
Totoo.
gano'n.
Walang halong walang halong bahid ng opinion ng
Ibang tao.
ng ibang tao. Yes, tama.
Oo, totoo. Nare-realize ko siya ngayon kasi parang yun nga 'di ba very close. I mean, gusto talaga natin na as in
Tayo.
kung tayo, yung sa partner natin tayo
Tayo
lang. Pero
lang.
sobrang understandable talaga ng mga tao na gusto ng open relationship. Kasi parang gusto talaga nilang na feeling ko yung mga deprived of love, so gusto talaga makatanggap ng maraming love from
Kung
other
kani-kanino,
people, oo,
gets.
gets.
Yeah. I understand them pero at the same time, ayun nga, I
Mm.
prefer for
Mm.
me na
Well,
hindi talaga.
preferences yan, eh. Well, kami lang 'to, it's just our
Totoo. Ang
opinion, right?
importante is hindi kami alam mo yung sobrang warla about sa open
Mm.
relationship. "Hoy, ikaw wag ka mag-open relationship kasi that's so toxic." Gano'n.
Totoo.
Actually, honestly,
Mm.
nung nag-research ako dito, una kong tingin talaga, bakit mo nag-o-open
Mm.
relationship be? Parang in the first place, nabanggit ko nga kanina 'di ba, akala
Totoo.
ng ibang tao na walang alam about it, it's already cheating kasi you're
Mm.
dating a lot of people. Pero ayun nga, so it's much more deeper than that. So I feel like all of us should be aware sa mga ganyang bagay para hindi maiwasan yung mga rambulan sa internet, gets?
Mm.
Mga nag-aaway-away about that.
Totoo. As in, open communication is the key to open relationship.
Yeah, you need to be open. Open your
Mind. Okay, may question dito. What situations okay mag-go through open relationships?
for me, ang best time na mag-agree to be in open relationship, before pa kayo mag-commit.
Mm.
Kasi ayun nga, nabanggit ko na parang nakaka-offend na after a long years na kayong dalawa lang, in the middle of it, you're gonna ask them if you want an open relationship. So in a way, masasaktan
Hindi,
ako.
sobrang sakit nun,
Kung sino
promise.
yung tatanungin, be,
Sakit
mapapaisip
nun.
ka talaga, what have I done all these years to make you feel that way and ask me na parang it's a normal thing to ask. So for me,
Totoo, sakit nun.
before committing pa, alam mo yun, bago kayo maging bogs, ganyan,
Mm.
you need to make it clear na you want open relationship. Wag mo nang patagalin pa yung relationship kung naiisip mo na agad into entering that. Kasi oh my God, di ko alam if maka-move on ako sa ganung klaseng sakit. Hindi sa breakup pero sa ganun na tinanong ka.
Mm.
It's, yeah, you should do it before everything else. Kumbaga, start from the bottom. Don't
Mm.
ask while you are in the middle of the relationship.
So, parang andun ka parang dapat mag-ano ka muna, parang explore muna bago ka talaga mag-commit talaga sa isang relationship. Oo.
Mhm.
Same with Sheena, siguro ganun din
Before.
before talaga mag-commit. Kasi 'pag committed ka na sa isang tao,
Yun na
siyempre
yun.
oo, yun na yun, eh. Like parang wala ka nang hahanapin pa, like nag-commit ka na, parang kalahati mo na siya. So,
Your other
dapat
half.
your other half parang
Yun na
nasa same
yun.
boat kayo, 'di ba?
Huwag nang
Mm.
paiba-iba ng decision
Mm.
dahil lang may conflict kayo or
Mm.
I mean, gets naman, pero it's just for me, I want all of that maging okay na yung decision nyo even before
Mm.
talagang committing with each other na you both want open relationship and hindi lang
Mm.
isa. Yeah. Should do it before. Make a decision. Pero ikaw ba feeling mo if nagka-cool off kayo ng jowa mo, do you think that's a valid time to ask if you want to go? If you want to have open relationship?
Ako kasi feeling ko kapag magco-cool off kami ng magiging future partner ko, hindi dahil nagsasawa ako sa partner ko,
Mm.
kundi dahil parang gusto ko ng time with myself. Ganun yung parang
Gets.
realize ko na nawawalan na ako ng time sa sarili ko.
Mhm.
Like, yung mga bagay na ginagawa ko nung single ako, hindi ko na siya nagagawa.
Mm.
Like the world is just turning around, is revolving around him. Like, I have to step back and parang kailangan kong tumingin muna sa bigger picture and tingnan ko din muna yung sarili ko ulit. Ayun nga, siguro may times na kapag you're into the relationship, parang wala ka ng ibang nakikita eh. Ikaw lang, parang yung
Ikaw
partner
lang.
mo na lang, kayong dalawa na lang yung nakikita mo. So,
True.
ako, pag nag-cool off ako, siguro hindi ako maghahanap ng ibang tao, hindi ako maghahanap ng kausap. I'm gonna focus on myself and
Gets.
bumalik sa mga ginagawa ko noon. Kasi feeling ko, yun din yung time na parang hahabulin ka ng partner mo eh. Kasi may,
Doon matetest.
dun matitest na parang, hala, okay, naghingi siya ng cool off. So parang may, ano ba to? Parang may eye-opener na I have to do more. Parang mas focus ako sa self ko pag once na mag-cool off. Ikaw ba? Are you gonna have an open relationship once nag-cool off kayo ng partner mo?
So, same with you. If ever mag-cool off, it doesn't mean na I want attention ng ibang guy. I just want my own attention to myself. Tama ka. Me time. And kasi feeling ko if nag-decide ako sa isang bagay, yun na yun eh. Kahit na
Oo.
anong mangyari pa sa
Ganun
buong
ka, na
buhay
very
ko.
firm ka sa
Yeah, very firm na hindi ako pa-iba-iba. If I already decided ayoko ng open relationship, ayoko. Kahit anong mangyari sa ating dalawa, for me, that will never be a solution for me to have open relationship just to fix our relationship. For me. So, yeah. No.
Ako naman parang, ako kasi yung tipo ng tao, gusto ko madami akong ginagawa. Like, ang hilig kong mag-drawing, hilig kong mag-paint, gusto ko gagawa ako ng kanta, magbabasa ako ng libro, tatambay ako sa coffee shop, ganyan ako. So, feeling ko pag none of that is may nawawala na sa buhay ko kahit may partner ako, feeling ko kailangan kong balikan yung sarili ko. Ganon.
Gets.
Like, kahit gusto ko pag nasa relationship ako, hindi ko na-feel na nasa relationship ako. Gusto ko yung parang feeling ko single ako. Pero, the boundaries is, yun nga, kayo. Pero hindi ka kakausap ng iba. It's just that, yung nagagawa mo pa rin yung mga bagay na gusto mo kahit nasa relationship ka.
Yeah, hindi ka locked up.
Yeah, oo. Di ba meron kasi parang, sakal
Yeah.
talaga sila.
Pero totoo nga rin na if you're in a relationship, may aabot talaga sa phase na kayong dalawa lang umiikot sa buong
Oo.
mundo. And it's not, I
Ay,
mean, di ba masama
totoo.
yun? I mean, that's a cute thing. That's a
Oo.
phase na talagang kayong dalawa lang, you're
Ay.
enjoying each other's company. Pero eventually naman, you will mature and grow together.
May phase
And
talaga na
yes,
ganyan na parang,
dun kayo abot sa
parang
point na you will let each other have their own time. And hindi man ibig sabihin by asking na you want your own time, it means na ayoko na sa'yo. Feeling ko yung ganung mindset sa mga immature pa.
Totoo.
Sa mga grade 7, mga ganyan. Yun yung isipin mo eh. Pero I think,
term lang yung grade
oo.
7 na, pero hindi naman lahat ng grade 7 ganun.
Oo.
Like, mga bata pa, ganun.
Mga grade 6. Nag-ano na ganyan. Pero ayun, feeling ko, tama. What if ang situation naman yung partner mo nagkakaroon ng identity crisis? Identity crisis, sa mga di nakakaalam, yun yung if you're a girl, tas parang nagkakaano ka,
nagkakaroon ka ng attraction with the same
girls, same sex.
sex.
Same sex. So, yun yung identity crisis. Feeling mo that's like a perfect time din para mag-open relationship kayo para maano yung partner mo if ano ba talagang gusto niya. Parang you think that's a valid reason for her or him to ask you to have open relationship dahil nagkaka-identity crisis siya. Ako kasi ang lagi kong sagot, no.
Go, ay ano naman, I understand.
Oo,
Go.
I mean, yun yung lagi kong sagot, di ba, about ko na I'm firm with my decision. Ayun nga, my decision is no. If your partner is having identity crisis, siguro, ayun muna, cool off muna. Have each other, mag-reflect muna isa't isa. Then, if he or she made a decision na, then he or she can tell me kung ano ba talagang gusto niya. If sabihin niya sa akin, gusto niya ng, mahal, I love you, pero I also, I'm attracted to Keme, and because of that, I don't want to lose you. I want to be an open relationship.
Hindi ba parang unfair siya sa'yo kasi,
Ayun, tama.
diba?
Parang, siguro in a way, mapapaisip ako na, oh my God, you still love me kahit na nag-isip ka na if you really like girls or boys. Syempre, maano ako doon. Pero, dahil nga, I only want him or her sa akin,
You're gonna let him go or let her go.
Yeah, for me, my decision will be I will just let that person
Oo, for your own,
go.
For your own good. Kasi parang,
oo, hirap na decision yun, pero it's just, honestly, it's for the betterment of the both of us. Alam kong mahal niya ako and alam niyang mahal ko siya, pero in a way, it's really unfair for that person to make that decision and ask me if I want
Totoo.
open relationship. Kasi ayoko naman.
Totoo.
It's not that I don't understand yung situation and kaka-identity crisis. I'm okay
No
with
judgment
that. Oo, no
sa
judgment. It's just, I want a fair relationship. And para maging patas lahat, let's just let go of each other and start from the bottom again.
Totoo.
Start a new life.
Pumapasok din kasi dyan yung parang, you have to put yourself first, 'di ba? Again. Kasi parang, yun nga, ang unfair talaga nun. For me, kung nandun ako sa situation na yun, I mean, wala akong problema kung nagkakaroon ka ng identity crisis. If you want me to guide you, I'll be there. But, I don't want to be there at all times kasi magiging unfair yun sa akin. Tsaka parang, ang bigat nun para sa akin na, ako, karga kita palagi. Like, paano naman ako? 'Di ba? Like, gusto ko din ng pagmamahal. Like, bigay ako ng bigay, nauubos na ako, 'di ba? So parang I'll guide you first and then I'll let you go kahit masakit for me.
Tama yung sinabi mo na you will guide that person. And if naka-decide na siya, if ikaw pa rin gusto niya or if feeling niya sa iba na, dun na, bogs na.
Yun nga, if
break
you
up and
truly
break.
love the person, parang susuportahan mo kung saan siya magiging masaya. And
Totoo.
kahit na yung kasiyahan niya, hindi ka nakasama.
Yeah, if yun yung cause ng happiness ng party, ready, go.
Totoo.
Yeah, that's life. I mean, it will always happen to anyone. Pero syempre, I don't hope naman na for everyone to experience that kasi that sucks. Pero it's the reality that we're living in.
Okay, what if naman na nafa-fall out of love ka na? Ile-let go mo na ba yung person and you will find another person? Kasi parang wala na eh. The love is not there. It's fading out. Ako, for me, normal sa relationship ang ma-fall out of love. Like parang, hindi naman fall out of love na hindi ka na committed sa kanya, but yung love na the kilig is not there na, you know, na, hindi ako nakikilig sa'yo, naiinis na nga ako sa'yo.
Parang kayong magkapatid sa sobrang tagal nyo na.
Oo, naiinis ka na sa mga simpleng bagay, ganon. Ako, for me, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina na, kunwari, ang nasa lapag pala, kunwari, 3 years na chicken at na rice, 3 years, ganyan. Tapos ay mo, parang nauuta na ako. Oh, lagyan mo ng ketchup. 'Di ba? Talagang hahanap ka talaga ng reason to stay if you really, really love the person talaga. Ako talaga, sobrang haba ng patience ko as a person. Kaya, ako yung tipo ng tao na maghahanap at maghahanap ng rason para magstay kahit na nagkakagulo na. As in, like, never papasok sa isip ko, never sasanggi sa isip ko na maging option ang paghihiwalayan. As
Really.
in.
Pero anong
Pero
limit
kung-
mo? Kasi hindi mo pwede lagi kang naghahanap ng reason to stay. Ano yung feeling mo, magko-cross ng line and dun ka na mag-stop na maghanap ng rason para magstay.
Pag nag-cheat siya.
Yun talaga.
Bakit ako naiiyak? Bakit may jowa ba ako? Wala nga tong jowa.
Wala.
Podcast nga to na walang jowa eh.
Ayun.
Hindi, pero naiisip
It's
ko,
cheating.
if I were in, hala, naiiyak ako, seryoso.
Gano'n siya
seryoso talaga.
gano'n siya ka-attach sa topic.
Totoo,
go.
if I were in the relationship, parang ang sakit, diba?
Ma-cheat, maloko. Yun yung
Hindi
ano
pa ako
mo.
na-cheat at wala pa akong jowa. Sobrang defensive. Hindi, pero ang sakit kasi talaga nun, diba? Iniisip ko, what if parents ko, ganun. Sakit siya.
Yeah, masakit siya. Okay.
Hindi, masakit talaga.
Understandable. At dahil dyan, pahinga ka na. Tapos, huwag umiyak ka. So, ando pa rin tayo sa topic ng falling out of love. Dahil nabanggit mo na yung, like your side, mga ganyan. What if, di ba, na-fall out of love ka, and usually pag na-fall out of love ka, doon ka na, ang dahil mong naiisip, alam mo yun, in a way, do I still like him or her, or do I still want to make this work? And do you think, ayun nga, pwede maging last resort mo to save this relationship is to have an open relationship?
Oh my God.
Kung napapaisip
Ako,
ka.
I cannot believe I'll answer this, pero feeling ko oo. If that's
The only way
the
to save.
only way to save, like, if hindi na talaga siya, it's unsavable, if that's a word. Kung hindi na
It's
talaga, kung
unsavable.
wala na talagang way para ma-save, and if that is the only way, yung parang wala na talaga, like kahit pumunta pa siya sa ibang bansa, wala na talaga, or kung wala na talaga, walang choice na talaga, I think, yes.
Grabe, ganun mo siya kamahal, no?
Oo, totoo, yun yung like, para lang, for him or for her to realize na,
Ikaw.
girl, I'm
It's
the
still
best.
you.
Maloy na to. So, 'di ba? Uy, grabe naman. Ang self-love naman.
So, naging self-love na to. Diba? Akala ko.
'Di ba? Pero, feeling ko, if ever lang. Pero ngayon,
Yeah.
sa situation ko ngayon.
Ako talaga no eh.
Oo.
Hindi, I mean, gets ko yung point of falling out of
Paano
love,
nga,
di
pag
ba?
wala na talagang reason.
What if walang-wala
kahit
na
kumain na
talaga?
siya ng plaque,
Hindi pa rin,
talagang hindi niya talaga marirealize
kahit
na,
kumain pa siya ng bubog, if we're not meant for each other, wag na. Hindi pala, gusto ko
Di
yung
ba?
pilit. Pero,
di
hindi
ba?
ko talaga kaya kasi open relationship.
Kahit for a day.
For a day, I will die nga, di ba? For a day. For a day lang.
Kawawa naman, baka mapaano tayo.
Yeah, pero I feel like,
Pero
Yeah.
it's your,
alam mo yung gusto ko naman ipilit, pero if umabot ka sa point na walang-wala ng solusyon, tapos ang solusyon mo, open relationship, parang nasa isip ko lang, dahil nga, I don't like open relationship. Wala lang,
Just the
mapapatanong
thought
lang
of-
ako na, will that
of-
really, alam mo yun, parang fix it? Or, dahil as an overthinker, mapaisip ako, will that really fix our relationship? Will that make it worse? Or kung ano man pwede mangyari? Ang dami kong isip-isipin. So, it's just for my own preference. I prefer to just let it go. And malay mo, mag-meet kami in the next future years as a better person. And at that time, wala na kaming isipin na problema. And we won't need to enter open
Pwede
relationship
din kasing ganun
just to fix what
Di
our
ba?
problem was before. So,
Oo.
ayun.
Pwede din ganun, promise. So,
Yeah.
parang, nang nagkahiwalay kayo, nagkaroon siya ulit ng relationship. Pero,
Gets.
at the end ng inyong
Relasyon.
tadhana, di ba?
Still
Kayo pa rin
you.
ang nag-end up
So,
together.
the both of you. If it's the both of you, it's the both of you.
Totoo.
The boat is sinking. Puro
Pero
boat.
I think, you can't always rely to tadhana. You can be the tadhana. Diba? Kasi parang choice mo kung sinong mamahalin mo. Hindi naman yung ibang tao ang pipilit. Hindi naman yung ibang tao ang magpipilit kung sinong mamahalin mo. Well, it's just me. It's just my opinion.
Yeah. What is the fine line between open relationship and
And
cheating?
Consent.
Hindi porket nasa open relationship ka, it's already cheating. And I feel like yun yung misconception talaga ng ibang tao. Cheating is cheating. And while you're in an open relationship, you need to be open. Kaya nga open, be. Di mo ba ang meaning ng open?
Be open. O O-P-E-N.
Napakababaw na word ng open.
Open, bukas. Bukas ang inyong mga isipan, bukas ang inyong mga puso.
Yes. Example,
At
magjowa tayo, ganyan. Tapos, may nakakausap akong iba, ganyan.
Ah,
Hindi ko sasabihin sa'yo. So,
That's
ba't pa
cheap.
nag-open relationship,
Mm-mm.
diba? May consent na nga. So, I think, yun. For
paano
me,
yung
cheating.
consent? Pakita mo.
Ang consent is, sige, you can talk to other girls, ganyan, ganyan. Pero sa akin ka uuwi, ganyan, ganyan.
Okay.
You can date other
Bye.
people, ganyan. Tapos umalis. So,
Hello.
it's
Ganon.
fine. And yun nga, cheating, kung anumang relationship yung pinasok mo, open relationship, normal relationship, trouble, kung ano ba relationship na mga nandito sa mundo?
Quadruple.
Ayun, quadruple.
Basta bahala kayo. Kung gusto nyo 10 kayo sa relationship, walang mang-judge sa inyo.
Kung
Gusto nyo
8 kayo, para bini,
Oo,
ganyan.
gusto nyo parang bus na
Oo,
15 o 38 kayo sa isang
Oo.
relationship. Wala
Basta, ang importante,
diba? Love is love. Love and love.
Basta importante, don't cheat. Just always let
Mm-mm.
your partner know what you're doing, what you're into, and kung ano man nang gaano.
Yes, and at the end of the day, 'di ba? Yun nga, love is love, and narinig niyo naman yung opinion namin about it, na very firm kami sa sagot namin na
Agree
we
to
don't
that.
agree to open relationship, pero we have no judgment if you want to
Open
have an
relationship.
open relationship. Yeah.
So, ako naman is, decide wisely. Parang wag kang mag-decide dahil lang you want to keep that person. Yun nga, bagay ko kanina kasi alam mo yun, wag kang papayag sa relationship na unfair sa part mo.
Totoo.
Ayun. It's just you need to decide wisely. Alam mo yun. You need to say your answer sa partner mo na buong-buo na yung loob mo. Kasi sa isang decision mo lang babago yung buong buhay nyo.
Yeah.
So, and wala kang pwedeng masumbat doon kasi you decided that ikaw decided for yourself. So, yeah, choose your answers wisely. Ka nga
Yes.
sa test.
Totoo. And feeling ko you have to love yourself as much, more than you love your partner. Yeah.
Close na notebook. Pagod ako. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. If you want to know more about open relationships, open ng podcast namin. Podcast ng mga walang jowa. Fresh episodes every Thursday here on Spotify.
Watch this podcast episode on YouTube this coming Monday.
And if na-open yung minds nyo to new perspectives about love dahil sa podcast namin, don't forget to rate our podcast ng mga walang jowa, 5 stars.
Feel free to drop a comment sa aming mga pa-Q&As and polls in the Spotify app.
And don't forget to listen to our music here on Spotify, Beanie_PH. And please do follow us on all of our social media accounts, Beanie_PH. Again, I'm Beanie Sheena.
I'm Beanie Maloy,
And we are Beanie.
At ito ang Podcast ng mga walang jowa. Bye-bye!
B-I-N-I-B-I-N-I Beanie Podcast na mga walang jowa.
Podcast Network Asia.
The views and opinions expressed by the podcast creators, hosts, and guests do not necessarily reflect the official policy and position of Podcast Network Asia, the hosts of the program, or other programs of the network. Any content provided by the people on the podcast are of their own opinion and are not intended to malign any religion, ethnic group, club, organization, company, individual, or anyone or anything.